eye court aso ka kire court say omo nua bema eye Cecilia Dapaah nua bema eye ono so nua bema na owu okuma ase no saa nipa na Paul Adebochi begina o ka say onim nipa na adaka na nipa de sika obu krapolo Paul o si omo si omo nua na oye shoemaker na owo kuma ase no Cecilia Dapaah nua na oye shoemaker ehia poporo no yesi owu ye no suddenly Cecilia Dapaah otam $800 ni nua ba ko tam $800 ene de bre Cecilia any receipt obi apam shoe enya $800,000 no pam shoe ene wenya $800,000 ene yesa tam sika pudio amutam sika kokwa egu kuram kura ene bi gu pudiom ene ebi gu eye dansan mu ye friend regalia gold bu gold ye bi kawa ye bi eyi osono che ye bi we eye den eye koteketwa ye gold ye dan nanane de anyoma bebre ene mo so gu dansan mu ene mo de nyina bra Cecilia e won krai se ye bra pagi na o ye shoes no wowu na sika oja we che $800,000 any gold bebre nti jigu nkran nti se ande o mo ka che ne se ba ku no wu ye $800,000 e be di Cecilia ho na emom sika na nya Cecilia dia NPP nipa mo support NPP o tumi ka che o se Konfonochi e ya santini abro ya hunini nipa mo support NPP o tumi ka che se Konfonochi o ye be ma tenten gram na o ye ofri sankofo betuma ka say shoemaker to binya $800,000 any gold regalia e be na wujindi NPP vowe no ka che say Konfonochi e de akonwa firi wiem e mo bia kata nani ye nitie ne na gold siwo sankofo ya sa ka che say $800,000 shoemaker obi apam shoe anya $800,000 any gold NPP vowe na ka che say omo ankasa no obedwa obubu ofu wey ombo we ka chere bi odi bedi watam me kire history me do ko history chi na madwudwam NPP fo we mu na mo ka chere say eye Konfonochi oba obi akata nani sa party fo we a omo ma obi akata nani eno oye nyankomade ena akonwa free wiem akonwa gold sense mu dududu about trisu akon mu bebu akonwa de so akobrane a ontumi ntini ni mu we mu sa party fo we ka chere say Konfonochi ma obi akata nani obi ye say ena obi akata nani ena odi nkan de eye bafo wo fom obi antumentu omo ase shoemaker wa yeshuwa anya $800,000 party baako we mu ana asa be ka kire se Konfonochi de sika ntua fom ye antumentu da kopim se dey bi boys bi ko tu sika no sankofo we party we sankofo na ka kire se Konfonochi ma obi akata nani the whole town e was antimemu akoko kura kata nani obekọ na akoko tewo ada Konfonochi sa akoko kata nani na obechante ama akonwa firi wiem ema Konfonochi ema impenifo butubutu fom kata omani ebi di ntomago tekyereye ebi di eye de mafe ebi di echampomfie ebi di eye de dotto ebi echese ebi di kura ekata omani din party we mu nipa na beka asa be kyereye ena omu nyina ye din kata omani no eye de akonwa ne free wiem akonwa no emuduro echen tiko kawo sa akonwa na eye sikadwa kofi no emu edu chen tiko emu edu echen lada unim lada unto unsa oyakwara so no emu edu say say na ye to obi egbedwa obi ehia intimi just history dim Mrs. Sikadwa kofi nana pia otufo me do na so do me nana mechi ne nie janchan hene Kevin Taylor Sikadwa kofi emu edu chen lada unim lada ukọ Russia obehu bi lada emu edu chen tiko sa akonwere emu edu chen Ascona emu edu chen Opel Vectra Konfonochi mo bia kata e masa akonwere firi wiem me bom nsa no ena beduru asase we so din sa party mu nipa ka che se obi pam shoe okumase nya $800,000 what one me problem party no omo nka no kore NPP omo ya trofo maami we ekuro bia o sanke yede tumbe 100 years Cecilia Dapaah wi and you see one funny thing about this party any NPP for say so what you mukra mo wi ade no they want you to believe say you are lying wona what you no they want to create a story jandam to create a story na mo adwena say omo no mo bokro no ummom no wabo mo kro no eye omo su ene omo ban that's how they are built to lie. They are built to think say everybody is a fool. They are built to begin to believe say omo nko adwena do butim no ene na ye nyansa obi agimi. But you see, at the end of the day, they make a fool out of themselves. At the end of the day, you look at them, you listen to them, and you get to know, say, they are so daft. This is the kind of political party some people still believe in. This is a minister or MPP mu. And the culture say, Nebra bia no opam shu kumase. Nebra ni wuye no, and the 800,000 or 800,000 gudem. Or 800,000 gudem no ti apatase pam shu. Our gold egu ayum and or ti apatase pam shu. Asem we catch the bodamni. A cho catch obi alokoti sa. A cho catch obi a wejimi. A chile bia na adwini nko echire. Obi bia on time to kwan. Obi na adwini mbie ya. Sebio ne nyansa wo fom e na obeji sa asem we di. And these are things normally me catch Ghana for say sa nyoma we bi na also do say MPP a dangerous political party. You cannot toy with the NPP because you see so we shall be not believe in their own lies or a dangerous chain poison. You know, there are some people, they can lie and believe in it. They can continuously lie. And at a point, they start to live the lie. So what's the deal? And most of the people on life to Sano, MPP for, they can lie to a point whereby it gets to a point they then become part of the lie. When they even lying and people are making fun of them or they are embarrassing themselves, they see those people making fun of them say, it is because they were born to lie. They are natural liars. They believe in their lies. And a political party, the moment you try to go back into their history, they get angry. And that is the MPP for you. Anytime MPP Nibia, you want to dig into their past, they get angry. They get angry because then you are going to know who they are. And it's now MPP crash a political party say, mo party no party and engineers one because the moment you go to the reason why the party was formed, then you get to know the mentality behind the party. Into a bit to be busa, na MPP na identity or say, oh, what did you mention them? I didn't mention them. Mi busa say e no mugina so ete MPP also me na na ba afọ akoto e na tete ne mawrem $800 £700 and na odete party no. I don't care about ona na ba afọ akoto because ona na ba afọ akoto se me kase me scrutinize baby onye sika ni free a o bo se sika no be free ba no questions for him. Ona na ba afọ akoto saa time na owo £700 no se ye kase enye tumia na owo da abre no ana se sebio enye ebia dibra bia na odi na kase ye chena tena ho Busan baby onya £700 na. Ubon se sa sika ko edete party no asem wo ho. It's a political party. From day one, everything about it has been a lie. And they believe in their lies. And in Tiana, so say they are speaking like this. And some of them are believing in it. Do not blame them. Yati Kroma for 8 years. En Kwasiade Ekufuado, Bawumia, Kennedy Japan, Brande Champon Mudia for 8 years. There are some people out there who are telling us nothing happened. That is the kind of humans we are living with. Do not get worried when you hear stuff like this coming from the NPP. It's a very dangerous political party. We are very dangerous. And party bia o started some history. No problem. No, a dangerous group of people. Sana also say motive no is different from what they are portraying. The NPP as a political party is made out of people who can really lie. And Cecilia Dapaah is a typical example of a political liar. She's a leech. These are people we are not supposed to give room to in our political settings. These are very dangerous people. Almost thousands and millions of Cecilia Dapaah in Ghana in the NPP. The NPP as a political party, almost this kind of people in the party. We are not dealing with a small group of people. We are dealing with cluster of criminal-minded women and men who believe in their lies. When you see people hating us, hating our platform, it is not because losing power. It is because they know it is going to be tough for the NPP to get back to lie to you. The reason why the NPP, they don't like me, the reason why whatever they hear about me, they get excited. The reason why they think, say, Ebia, bibin to me platform, no, bibin to me, it is because they know, say, what we are doing is putting the people in a place that they cannot penetrate to lie to them. Because at Shronema MPP be MPP. And they themselves, they know. As a political party, they know. So we didn't call party on Bekuma to actually say JB Dankwa, they'll kill you. And yet JB Dankwa Papa no. And yet Ekufuado, JB Dankwa Kronfono, Dabi. Make a JB Dankwa Papa now Mukuno, no. Young one, no. Ekufuado JB Dankwa, son no a snakes. On the call American embassy said, Omo money pay. So we are a political party. presidential candidate JB Dankwa to be sorry anopa no we dware abon to powder no we US embassy say be pay wey any party these are demonic incarnates wa di bonye tie ni kro and wasa akwaje who pay and they will be to work say part way na yendi echire. These are liars. Be very careful. MPP, dangerous.